ready to go for a walk.
So last night we had some pretty major wind come through with gusts up to 45 miles an hour, and we had tornadoes in the area. And we're in the KOA park here at St. Petersburg, and here's one of the first things we see. Here's a limb that fell, and there's our car. We're lucky. I'm on the B side, which is where Lynn and I live when we're not in North Carolina. So we're close to the water now, and the wind's really starting to pick up. You can see that. So out on the bayou today, this is the long bayou, connects over to the cross bayou. We do a lot of fishing in this area. It actually looks pretty peaceful out there. This is the kayak launch that's closest to our area. I used to put the blue kayak in a lot right here. There's no way I can put the Ginu in here. This will give you a better idea of what's going on with the water. There's not a lot of waves. There's some white caps, but hey, good morning. Trees.
No, nice. Good girl. I said we passed by your place about 3 times yesterday. There was never any sign of life. So we
Come on. Tell him.
Yeah,
Where is John?
what's going on here?
Where's John?